For any of these formulas, if you know the denominator, you know the entire formula. But why even remember the denominators? Let us see a simple story to remember this. Imagine your country is stretched out before you, with a north-south line running through the middle. All the liver cancer patients live on the left side of this line and the healthy people on the right. Got it? Liver cancer on the left, healthy on the right. Suddenly, there's a new dictator in town and he declares that anyone living in the top half of the country is now considered healthy no matter what. Anyone living in the bottom half is now considered sick no matter what, and they have to wear this sticker on their forehead. This rule creates a clear visual pattern. The country is now divided into 4 quadrants. Sick people who are now considered healthy. Healthy people who are still considered healthy. Sick people who are considered sick, and healthy people who are considered sick. Now we need a compass. The N in the north stands for NPV, negative predictive value. Opposite of NPV is PPV, positive predictive value. People in the east are very competitive and specific, hence specificity is in the east, and people in the west are very sensitive, hence sensitivity in the west. Easy, right? Now we lay this compass over our map and we are ready to write our formulas. Now I told you in the beginning that we only need the denominators to get our formulas. So let's try. The 2 blocks closest to the term will be its denominator. For example, sensitivity is on the left side of the map, so it cares only about these 2 blocks which are there on the left, and which happens to be the people with liver cancer. Similarly, specificity is closest to these 2 blocks, which is made of healthy people. Closer to PPV, we have all the people who are labeled sick. Closer to NPV, we have all the people who are labeled healthy. So now we have all the denominators, but what about the numerators? Numerators are the true labeled population out of the denominator. Let me explain for each of them. In sensitivity, the denominator is liver cancer population or people with liver cancer. The true population out of this will be the ones which are labeled sick apart from being sick, also called as true positive. In specificity, denominator is of healthy people. The true population in this case will be those people who were also labeled healthy apart from being healthy. So, true negatives. In negative predictive value, the denominator is people who are labeled healthy. The true population in this case will be the ones which are also healthy apart from being labeled healthy. So, true negatives. Similarly, in PPV, denominator is of people who are labeled sick. True population here will be the people who are actually sick. So, true positives. So, let's summarize what all you need to remember. On the map, liver cancers on the left and stickers in the south. In the compass, NPV in the north, sensitivity in west, specificity in the east. When you overlap the map and the compass, you are now ready. Denominator will be made of the 2 blocks which are closest to the term, and the numerator will be the true subset of the denominator population. These videos and animations take a long time to create, so please support us by subscribing our channel.